Now.
After given power supply, you have to focus on this area and this both light.
Okay.
One is green, one is red.
Yes.
And here also red light.
Okay.
If there is no red light, you have to pull this
Chain with the.
So, red light, whenever red light coming, then you have to make on these 4 deep switch. There is 4 deep switch. You have to make it on.
On position.
Yeah. First, see, we will make all 4 is on. Okay.
Okay.
Now, see, there is one red button, means center button. So you have to press it up to 3 seconds. Now door is reset, okay? Finish. Now you have to close all deep switch.
Again.
Again, you have to close all deep switch. And first you have to close all, then you have to on number 1 only.
One only.
1 only. Then you have to press again center button for 3 seconds. Okay? Up to 3 seconds. It's like 4 seconds also. So, it's finished.
So, after that,
on karo na?
Now it is on 1.
okay.
Press this one. Red light coming there, huh?
3 seconds only, 3 seconds.
Yeah, see red light coming, huh? Okay,
So,
now
Now this
Giving
top
up.
button, it will go top.
How much we need, that much we take.
yeah.
Yeah. Press and hold. You have to press and hold this button, so it will go. How much you need, you have to left there. So this is our limit, maximum limit in height. Now you have to press again the center button up to 3 seconds. Up to 3 seconds press, then again you have to press down button. Down button, press and hold.
How much need down, that much we take.
Yeah. So we reach our closing point. Then again you have to press center button up to 3 seconds. Now you have to close this number 1 close and number 3 is on. And you have to press top button. So it's like 5 times it will be up and down.
Automatically.
Automatically it will be up down 5 times. Once it's stop closing point, then you have to try with the button.
Button.
Then you have to try. After close 5 times up and down, then you can use.
Okay. Satu करते रहे.